Another topic is partial differential equation, in that non-linear in P and Q. Okay, P square, Q square, like this will be different questions. In that 4 types we have. One type is, type 1 is, if the function is having only P comma Q, then how to find the solution. So we'll see one example. Solve P square plus Q square equal to 1. So only PQ means, solution means Z equal to AX plus BY plus C is the general solution. So for that, substitute P equal to dou Z by dou X equal to A, and Q means dou Z by dou Y equal to B in the given equation. So you will get A square plus B square equal to 1. So B find out from here. B equal to square root of 1 minus A square. Therefore Z is equal to AX plus BY. B means square root of 1 minus A square. Y plus C. That's it. Just you replace P as a A and Q as a B and find the B value and substitute in this form, in the formula. Similarly, one more question. A square B Q equals to 1. B you separate it and substitute AX plus BY plus C. Similarly, one more question. P equals to E power Q means A equal to E power B. B value how to calculate. B equal to, if you remove E, log A will get, therefore AX plus log A into Y plus C. One more question, if you observe, it's very important question. Okay, here x square plus y square q square equal to z square. Here PQ only should be there, no x, y and z. To remove this, so we will divide the whole equation by z square. Okay, whole square you write. You will get capital P square plus capital Q square equal to 1. Then you can apply as usual procedure. For that we need to use substitutions. Usually they will mention in the question substitutions. Otherwise you remember U as log x, V as log y and W as log z. And apply P means dou z by dou x equal to dou z by dou u. Chain rule apply, dou u by dou x. So u means log x, then dou u by dou x is 1 by x. Dou v by dou y is 1 by y. Substitute. So P is so much and Q you will get cross multiply x square. This let it be one side. That W equals to dou w by dou u you calculate now. So log z means 1 by z into dou z by dou u, comma dou w by dou y equals to 1 by z into dou z by dou v. Therefore dou w by dou u equals to 1 by z into dou z by dou u means, here we got dou z by means px, that you replace px by z. Here qy by z. So these two one side you calculate and substitute in the third one. Okay. So you will get dou w by dou u, dou w by dou v values, you will get it. Implies, equation 1 implies, what is the px by z? Px by z means this one, px by z. Instead of that you write dou w by dou u whole square plus dou qy by z means this one, qy by z means dou w by dou v. Substitute whole square. Assume this as a p, assume this as a q. So we got P square plus Q square equal to 1. We know the procedure, A square plus B square equal to 1. B equal to square root of 1 minus A square. Therefore solution is AU plus BV plus C. B means square root of 1 minus A square. Substitute that plus C. So W means your assumption, W, V, U. Substitute here. This gives you solution. This is type 1 problems. One more example in type 1, just to go through it by taking u equal to log x. So p you calculate, dou z by dou u as a p. X you will get and substitute in a problem. So z square equal to 2v you will get and apply. You will get this q. Substitute in the question, dou v by dou u, dou v by dou y whole square equal to 1. It assume as a p and q. So v as this pq. Therefore, V equal to this is the general solution. Type 2 is f of p comma q comma z equal to 0. So, means the function will have p, q and z. So, question solve. This is a question. If you observe p, q, z is there. So, for that procedure is u equal to x plus I y you have to assume. P means dz by du, q means a into dz by du. So substitute in the question, z square of p means this one, q means this one, you substitute. And here you have to apply variable separable method. Okay. On 1 plus a square you take, just take common, dz by du whole square you take common. You will get 1 plus a square plus 1 will be there. Z square 1 minus. So z square into 1 is z square, plus z square it will be minus z square. Okay, and here square z into dz by du is equal to square root of, squaring on both the sides, you do root apply. So root of 1 minus z square by root of 1 plus a square. So z, this z and dz is one side and u one side you send, and here integrate it like this. F dash of z by square root of f of z formula, that means 2 root f of z formula apply, and constant you take as a k and simplify. You will get squaring on both the sides, you will get the answer. One more example in type 2, pq plus qp equals 27z. So this is in the form p comma q comma z. So it belongs to type 2. So p means dz by du, q means a into dz by u, substitute, variable separable method apply and integrate it. That's it, type 2. Type 3 means, here I have showed you type 3. Functions x comma p one side and functions y comma q one side. If that possible, then it comes to type 3. So here if you observe, so here zp square zq square is there, root zp whole square root zq whole square equal to x minus whole square form apply. We know p means dou z by dou x, q means dou z by dou y equal to x minus y. Now here you have to use the substitution method. Okay, here u equal to 2 by 3 z to the power of 3 by 2 use. So dou u by dou x to calculate, dou u by dou z into dou z by dou, chain rule you have to apply. So z to the power of 3 by 2 differentiation, if you apply 3 by 2 into z to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1, and here you have already 2 by 3. 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 you can cancel. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So dou z by dou x into z to the power of 1 by 2 will get. Means this bracket term, according to that you have to assume u. So that instead of this bracket term you can write dou u by dou x. Similarly with respect to y you do. So you will get dou u by dou y means root z dou z by dou y, means this one. Okay, dou u by dou y. And apply here, I am showing here, and substitute dou u by dou x minus dou u by dou y whole square equal to x minus y. Assume this as a p, assume this as a q. So p square and x one side, q square and y one side you write. So procedure is equate this one to a and this also to a, and find p comma q. Therefore du equal to, formula is p dx plus q dy. So integrate it. Integrate du equals to integral p means this value into dx plus q means this value into dy, and integrate it. U means we already assume that you substitute. This is a required solution. So type 4 means z equal to px plus qy plus function of p comma. It's a Clairaut's equation. Very simple questions we have in this type. These two, if you observe, px plus qy already is there in the standard form. Just substitute p equal to a comma q equal to b. You will get ax plus by plus a square plus b square. That's it, the solution. One more question also, if you observe, minus px minus qy, send that side. You will get px plus qy plus c into square root. Means substitute p is a, q is ax plus by plus c into square. This is the required solution if the function is in the form px plus qy plus function. This equation is called Clairaut's equation. It comes under type 4. Okay, thank you.